And the microphone toward her voice, please. Thank you.
We're gonna have to put this really far up close, okay? Okay. Just like that. Now, Miss Guidry, whenever I ask you a question and you respond, make sure you're talking into the microphone so that everyone can hear you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You remember, okay, is your name Kara Guidry?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is your brother Joseph Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Is your mom Charlotte Guidry?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know Christopher Keller?
Yes.
Is he in the courtroom today?
Yes.
Could you point to him and identify him by an article of clothing?
That's what it was.
May the record reflectors identify the defendant?
Yes, it will.
Now, Miss Guidry, you don't want to be here right now, do you?
I was forced to be here. I don't want to be here.
Right. You were forced to be here by me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I subpoenaed you and I forced you to be here. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How do you know Christopher Keller?
He was my ex.
How long did you guys date for?
Since I was like 17.
And so since you were 17, when did you guys break up?
When he went to jail, and then he got out and come back together.
Do you have any kids with him?
No, man.
Do you have any kids?
Yeah,
How many kids do you have?
I have to.
Were your kids with you on October 3rd of 2023?
Yeah, that was with me, my kid.
Was Christopher Keller there on October 3rd of 2023?
Yeah.
Okay. Did he do anything on that day?
I don't remember about that.
You don't recall? Do you recall if your brother got shot that day?
I know he got shot, yeah.
Yeah. Did he get shot in the butt?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah. To your knowledge?
Yeah, he went to the hospital.
Yeah. Did he have to have surgery?
I don't know.
Were you at your mom's house?
Yes, I'll go wrong.
Do you live with your mom or do you live somewhere else?
Like right now?
Or then?
During that time?
During that time?
Oh no, I stayed home. I was just at my mom. Yeah.
Do you remember why you were at your mom's house?
No.
Okay. Were you there to visit anyone or were you just there to see your mom?
No, it was just I just don't remember. I was at my mom.
Okay. I'm showing you Stacey's exhibit number 33. Is that your car? Or is that your mom's car?
This is my car.
Your car?
Yeah.
Okay, was your mom's apartment like right over here? Is that where it was?
Yeah, that's what yeah, not yeah.
Yeah. And it looks like your car got some bullet holes in it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
How'd that happen?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know who did it?
I don't remember.
You don't remember? I'm trying to say exhibit number 73. Is that your mom's window that got shot?
Yes, ma'am.
Trying to say exhibit number 74. Is that a closer picture of where your mom's window got shot?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that a bullet fragment on the inside of that window?
Oh. I don't know.
You can say exhibit number 75. Does it? You may not still be able to tell, but if I told you that it was recovered as a bullet fragment, you would agree with me.
No, I don't know.
Okay. But your mom's window got shot, right?
Yeah, gosh, you know, one of my shot.
Yeah. Were your kids in there?
No.
Where were your kids?
Everything, I don't remember, like, I don't remember nothing that happened that day.
But you remember your brother got shot.
Yeah, I remember, yeah, I'm in the hospital. I don't remember.
Yeah.
Like, maybe,
Do you remember talking to the police that day?
I don't remember nothing.
Do you remember telling the police that Christopher Keller shot your brother?
No, I don't.
Did you watch your statement this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember saying that in your? Did you remember watching that in your statement that you told them that Christopher Keller shot your brother?
The video that I watched earlier, I don't remember, like, I don't remember none of it.
You don't remember the video you watched this morning?
Like, I'm talking about on the, like, when I was watching, I don't remember me, like, talking, saying, I don't remember none of it.
After watching your video, did you tell the police that Christopher Keller shot your brother? Is that what you told them at the time?
Yeah, I don't remember, like.
Okay. You agree you gave a video statement? Yes?
You said what?
You gave a video statement to the police, right?
That was on their body camera?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. You watched that statement this morning.
Yeah.
In that statement, did you say that Christopher Keller shot your brother?
I watched the video, but I don't remember now. I don't remember telling the police it, but I watched the video.
Okay. And what did you say in the video?
I don't remember. I don't remember.
Hold on. You don't remember what you saw this morning? Is that what your
No,
answer was?
what I think, but I
That's what she's asking you.
like, I don't, but the police and all that was like 2 years ago. I don't remember none of it. Like, I don't remember nothing. Like,
Pay attention to the question she's asking you, ma'am, and be mindful you're under oath. Go ahead, ask your next question.
In that video that you watched this morning, did you tell the police that Christopher Keller shot your brother?
If it's on video, yeah, but I don't remember. Yeah, if it's on video, but I don't remember.
So it was on the video?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you tell the police on that video that your brother and Christopher Keller got in an argument and that he started shooting at your brother?
I don't remember.
Do you remember if your brother shot at Christopher Keller?
I don't remember.
Do you know Kayla Garlington?
Classmate, but no, not like hanging around.
Okay. United States Exhibit number 39. Would this have been Kayla's car? Would that have been her car?
I don't remember.
You don't remember? Okay, turn your attention to State's Exhibit number 77, the surveillance video. If this is your car here, right? Is that your car?
My car was parked.
Yeah, so this car right here, parked.
Yeah, this my car.
That's your car? And then would this have been Kayla's car?
I guess.
You guess? When Kayla pulled up, where were you?
I don't recall. I don't remember.
Just were you with your mom and your brother, or were you inside, or were you?
Yeah, don't remember.
Do you remember? You watched the video, right? This morning?
Yeah, I watched the video.
Okay. In that video, did you say that Kayla drove up and asked if she needed to take Christopher Keller away?
I don't remember.
Ma'am, this is what you saw this morning. This is what she's asking you. Do you remember what you saw this morning?
Yeah, that video, I'm not.
All right,
The
that's
video.
what, ma'am, that's what she's asking you. Do you remember what happened this morning?
Yeah, I think the video this morning, but I don't remember.
Ma'am, do you remember what happened this morning?
Yes.
She's asking you those questions.
Yes,
Please answer them.
yes.
You're under oath. Thank you.
Okay. And after she asked Christopher Keller to get in the car, is that when he started shooting? Is that what you said in the video this morning? I have no further questions. Let's wait this round.
Anything? Just go ahead.
Ms. Guidry, you and I have never talked, correct?
No, I never thought.
You don't even know who I am.
I don't.
And you know your brother was shot. Do you know any of the reasons how he got shot or how anything else happened?
No, sir.
No. And you don't know any of the words that were said or anything that happened at all? Pass, Windsor.
Anything else?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
You are excused. Next, please.
State calls Joseph Williams.
I don't know.
You're excused. You can go on.
Okay.
Joseph Williams, you said?
Yes.
Bart, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you are about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God. Yes, sir. Have a seat. Thank you.
All right. One thing, you're gonna have to scoot up a little bit closer to be right close to the microphone so that everyone can hear you. Okay.
Uh-huh.
No, you're good. Also, every time I ask you a question, you're gonna have to answer verbally. Okay. We can't have any head shaking, nodding, that kind of a thing. Okay. Exactly wrong. Okay. Is your name Joseph Williams? Okay. Are you related to Kiara Guidry? How are you related to her? Do you have any nieces and nephews? Yeah. Okay. So and she has two of them, right? Are you related to Charlotte Guidry? Were they with you on October 3rd? Okay. What were you guys doing? Do you remember? What, you weren't with them at all?
No.
Okay. Were you ever at the Avery Trace Apartments that day?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But they weren't there?
I don't know where they were. I wasn't with them. I was by myself.
You're by yourself.
Yes.
Do you know Christopher Keller?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am? Okay. On October 3rd, were you shot?
Yes, ma'am.
Where were you shot?
No.
And did it come out? Were you shot in the back and then it came out through the front? Do you remember?
Exactly how the bullets. I don't remember that part.
Okay. If the hospital told an officer that it went in through your butt and came out through your thigh, you wouldn't have any reason to disagree with that, would you?
I won't.
Okay. Showing you state's exhibit number 76. Is that the bullet wound in your thigh?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember how it got there?
Yes.
How'd it get there?
Bullet.
A bullet?
Yes.
Who shot at you?
Um,
Turn your attention to state exhibit number 77. This is the surveillance camera from the Valero gas station across from Avery Trace Apartment. That's as big as it gets, I'm so sorry. If your sister already testified that that was her car, you wouldn't have any reason to disagree with that, would you?
I can't even see that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And that day, did Kayla Garlington pull up?
I don't know who it is.
You don't know who that is? After you say exhibit number 32. Is that your sister's car? If she had testified that it was her car, you wouldn't have any reason to disagree with it. Like,
Yeah.
and it looks like that car has been shot, doesn't it?
I can't tell. Where was it shot at?
I'm going to show you Stacy exhibit number 34.
Oh, now I see.
Stacy exhibit number 35. It's a little bit closer. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Stacy exhibit 36 is the back windshield. It looks like maybe a bullet came in through here, right? I'm going to show you Stacy exhibit number 40. If there had been testimony that this was Kayla Garlington's car, and that all of these numbers right here are bullets and bullet casings, it looks like something happened there, right?
Possibly.
Possibly, but you don't know because you weren't there.
You know what I'm saying.
I know you were there. That's why I'm asking you.
I see what exactly.
Did you get in an argument with someone that day?
No comment.
You're ordered to answer the question. You're ordered to answer the question, sir. You're under oath. Answer the question. You were ordered by this court to answer the question. No comment is not an answer in a trial. Answer the question.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, I didn't.
You didn't get in an argument with anyone?
No, you didn't get an argument.
Who did you talk to when you were at the Avery Trace Apartments?
My mother.
Your mother. No one else?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
And my sister.
And your sister. Yes?
Ask you a question.
Sure, go for it.
Hold on. That's not
Objection.
That's not the way we wrote the rules. The witness does not control the examination.
I was just interested
If
to see
the
what it was.
attorneys do. Ask your next question, please.
ask a question.
No, she's going to ask you. You're the one on the road. That's the way the rules work. Okay, go ahead.
If someone's falsely said though.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
Are you going to follow the rules or not, sir?
I got you, sir.
Thank you. Ask your next question.
So you don't remember at all how you got shot? It just happened miraculously?
I just remember shots.
Do you remember what direction they came from? Were they behind you? Were they in front of you? Were they the side of you? Where were they?
Everywhere.
Everywhere? Did you shoot at anyone that day?
Yes, ma'am.
Who did you shoot at?
I was just shooting because I heard shots.
So whenever you hear shots, your first reaction is just to start shooting randomly?
If they're in my direction, yes, ma'am.
But you don't know why anyone would have been shooting at you.
I don't know why. I don't know what was going on.
Showing you stays exhibit number 68. Would this have been your mom's apartment right over here?
No, ma'am.
Where would it have been then?
It, in the inside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But her window got shot, right?
You I don't know how to answer that one, Judge.
Truthfully,
No,
is the way to answer it.
no, she was asking about a different complex, a different section.
Are you able to answer the question?
The answer was pertaining to the wrong apartment.
Oh, okay, you can explain your answer.
Yeah, that I didn't want to do that. You'd be like, sir. We proceed.
Yeah, rephrase the question.
I apologize.
Thank you.
Never mind. So if officers had testified that from their training and experience, that all of the bullets, that there was a shooter right here standing in front of this car, you wouldn't know anything about this.
You said I wouldn't know anything about that?
Yeah.
No, ma'am.
So you don't remember a person being right here.
I wasn't in that view. I was behind people.
Okay, you were behind people. So you would have been over here in this direction.
No, ma'am.
Then where would you have been?
Aside of the car.
So like right here?
Or there's people in front of me.
Like here?
I was on the sidewalk area closer to the grass.
Because you were over here.
The other side, that's the side.
Over
Or
here.
the other cut, yeah, that's that side.
Over here.
No, I went over there.
Which way?
If that's that second picture that you pointed at, behind that one, or that side, I was on the other side. That's the same side as the first picture, right? On the right side, that's the same side.
So if you would have been.
I was on.
There's a stick behind you. Can you point to where you would have been? Because I'm a little bit confused.
This the side you was talking about already, right? That's the same side.
Okay, so you were
I
in
was
the
over
grass.
here.
Okay, so you were toward in the apartment complex.
Yes, I was further. There was people in front of me.
What other people were in front of you? Do you remember?
My mother, sister.
So when the shots just started going, they were also kind of being shot at your mother and your sister, right?
I don't know whose shots is being shot at.
But they would have been in danger too, right? If you got shot, right, and they were with you, they could have been in danger of getting shot. Okay. And you don't want to protect them?
Who was the one that got shot?
You. But they could have gotten shot too, right?
Possible. It's not impossible.
You went and you signed an affidavit of non-prosecution, is that correct?
What's that?
It means you signed something that said you didn't want to pursue charges anymore.
Yeah, I did.
Where did you sign that?
You said where did I sign? In the house?
In a house?
At the court?
You don't remember where you signed it?
You talking about the paper?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It wasn't with the state, right? You didn't sign it with me. You signed it somewhere else and I got it later, right?
Right.
Okay. What made you sign the affidavit of non-prosecution?
Because I was hearing a lot of speculation that I wanted to press charges and seek justice at the hospital when I never said anything. That's what made me do that.
You understand that when a case gets charged with the district attorney's office, it's up to the DA's office on whether we're going to continue with the case or not. You understand that?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And we're pursuing this against your will, right?
That's my own. I can't do me.
It does have something to do with you because you got shot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're the victim in this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You got shot.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your sister's car got shot, right?
You know, to show me that I ain't know that.
Okay. Are you saying that Christopher Keller did not shoot you?
I'm saying I don't know who was shooting. That's what I said. I wasn't in the view.
Did the person who was shooting you look like the man who's sitting right over here?
I couldn't see again, man. I couldn't see.
So you can't say that this man didn't shoot you. You're just not saying that he did.
I'm saying I couldn't see. I didn't know who was shooting. I wasn't in the view. That's what I said the first time. I'm sorry.
You know, your sister testified that she told the police that Christopher Keller shot you.
I know that already.
Okay. And
That's not me.
do you have any reason to disbelieve her? That it was Christopher Keller?
She have her own beliefs. I have my own.
Okay. How long had your sister dated Christopher Keller for?
That I don't know.
If she said that she dated him for a long time since she was 17, that's a good amount of years, right?
Possibly.
Okay. And in all of that time, you never met him, not once?
My sister was 17. I was in college. I didn't stay with my mom. I didn't stay with them. I recently started being around them.
Okay. So you wouldn't have known anyone that your sister dated?
No, ma'am. You don't talk like that.
I'm going to show you again, State's Exhibit number 77. So, if your sister testified that this is her car, you don't have any reason to disagree with that.
I don't.
And if your sister testified that this was your mom's apartment, you would disagree.
No. That's the right one. You was pointing at the other one.
Oh, okay.
If you paying attention, it's another section that's behind it that you was pointing at. That's not the section, but where you have the arrow, that is the section.
Okay, so this is your mom's apartment.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
I appreciate the clarification. Thank you.
You're right.
And then, were you wearing white that day? Would this have been you? You know,
I don't remember if I was wearing
how tall are you, would you say?
6'5".
So you're pretty tall.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're probably gonna be the tallest person in the video.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So does this look like a bunch of people congregating in an area in front of this car?
Yes.
And this seems to be about the tallest person, right? Okay. So this car is driving up a little bit, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you're still over here with all of these people, right?
Yes.
And then you and someone come over here to the back of this car, right?
I think that's the front foot.
Okay, the front of the car, yeah. You don't know who this person was?
What person? In the black version?
Yeah, this person, look.
That's a little guy. I don't remember. I don't know.
And then for some reason, it looks like the little guy kind of runs at you, right?
What planet?
Was that you running away?
I don't, but, my apologies.
No, you're good.
They don't look like me. I mean, they don't seem like me. I don't think it happened like that.
So you think the video is wrong?
There might be a different time.
That person stays over by the car, and it looks like that person runs up towards that apartment complex, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And but you think that was a different time? That's not you.
Did the person in the white jacket run up the steps?
Yeah.
Yeah, that wouldn't be.
Well, I don't know if they run up the steps. They run this way.
I know, but their jacket was still showing after the Jeep had passed. There's no way I'm that tall. See? I don't even think I had on white that day.
So you think that very tall person in an incident right before police show up after a phone call with the exact cars that were shot up is a different person?
This was after the fact? This was after the shooting?
No, this was during the shooting.
Oh, that's not me. I don't think I had on white. And I wouldn't have been able to run that fluent.
Oh, so the video sped up from the surveillance video. No one runs that fast. You're not a superhero.
I was about to say, I don't think,
But if your mom and your sister said that Christopher Keller shot you that day, you wouldn't have any reason to disagree with their thoughts.
I'm going to object as to mom. Mom has not testified, or if she's going to testify, there's been no evidence to saying that she's the one who made that statement that Mr. Keller shot anybody.
Your response.
That's fine, Your Honor. Do you have any reason to disbelieve your sister when she said that Christopher Keller shot you?
she had no beliefs.
Okay,
I
but
got one.
if she dated Christopher Keller since she was 17, she's got a pretty good idea of who he is, right?
She said a lot.
Okay.
You don't know who I am, do you?
I do.
Oh, you do?
Yes.
But have we ever talked about this case?
No, sir.
Ever asked you to do anything?
No,
Did
sir.
you ever come to my office to do anything?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we're talking about something about an affidavit of non-prosecution.
No, sir.
Okay. Um, you're saying now that that's not even you in the video?
I'm saying it looks unfamiliar. It doesn't look like me.
Prior, you were somewhere in the area there, were you or were you not? I'm trying to figure out what your testimony
I'm
is.
talking about before everything expired.
Okay. And you left or,
I didn't answer the question.
oh, answer the question.
Nah, I'm saying, I was asking you a question. You
Oh, you
talking
can't ask me a question, Mr. Williams.
about before. I was asking, is he talking about before the?
Oh, okay. Clarify.
Dang.
Rephrase.
Okay, so
You all right over there, or do you need some medication or anything? All right. Yeah, just answer the questions under oath, truthfully.
did you start running before the shooting or after the shooting? Do you remember? Okay. Do you know whether or not, or did you hear anybody argue between any of the individuals
No, sir.
before?
No,
Were you even around in that area before? Or do you know? And I want to say, were you ever even, this, I guess, is your mom's apartment?
yes, sir.
It looks like it.
Yes, sir.
Were you ever even around that area prior to all this shooting happened?
I was on the other side,
Okay.
right? I was in the box, but I wasn't right there.
Okay. And you did pull out your gun, didn't you?
Yeah, I heard the shots, the shots.
Were there any arguing before that? Do you know if you weren't in an argument with anybody, were you?
Nah,
You didn't have any words with anybody, did you, beforehand? I mean, you were just there.
yeah, I talked to my mom.
You talked to your mom. Do you know if your mom or your sister were arguing with anybody?
I don't know.
Okay. But you weren't in an argument with anybody.
No,
And you certainly didn't pull a gun out on anybody that day, did you?
no,
You didn't show a gun to anybody, did you?
no.
At the time of the shooting, were you running or were you walking or just standing still? And that's three questions, but
I was trying to figure out what was going on.
okay.
Oh,
At the time of the shooting that you pulled out your gun, were you standing still?
when I pulled out my gun,
Yeah. Were you standing still? Do you remember?
I was limping.
You were limping. What happened to your firearm?
I threw it in the bushes, like I told the cops.
Huh? Do you know why the police never found it?
Somebody must have picked it up when the ambulance came down.
You know what building you were around when you threw it in the bushes?
The bushes right in front of my mom's apartment.
And did you tell the police in front of the apartment?
No, I told them just bushes. I didn't tell them anything.
So the gun was in front of, you threw it in front of the apartment?
Yeah, it's a generator and some bushes right there, right in front of the window.
Hold on a minute. Here's the front of the apartment, right?
Yes, sir.
The bushes in here you're talking about?
Yes, sir.
And there's a generator there?
Yes, sir. They got me in front of all the apartment windows.
And that's where you threw it.
Yes, sir.
And you never saw that again, did you?
I ain't seen that since.
But prior to your shooting, you weren't in any argument, right?
No, sir.
You didn't see your sister arguing with anybody?
I wasn't in the vicinity. walked up and
So you never got in the middle of anybody or talked to anybody or had any word with anybody prior to you hearing shots?
no, sir.
Anything else?
I passed the witness, John.
Anything else?
Yes, Your Honor. That's a good question. You stated you're 6'5", right?
Yes, ma'am.
If someone was about 5'8", that's almost a foot shorter than you, right? That would be considered a tiny man? Because that was your language, that this was a tiny man, right?
No.
Hold on, I'm 5'9". I don't consider me tiny.
The person you was referring to most definitely was 5'2".
5'2"? Because I'm 5'2". And I tell you right now, I to a car, it's like right, it's way shorter than that man.
You're the same height that little person in the black. Promise.
You want to stand up next to me, see how much taller you are than me?
If you need to.
I'll take off my heels, we can do it. I promise you, it's way shorter than that guy.
He looked about 5'3", your height.
No, because I can't even see the top of a car. I wish I could. Make it so much more convenient. Can't. You realize that a lot of your testimony today has been inconsistent, right?
Yeah, that way.
Why do you feel like you can't be completely truthful in this trial?
Well, objection. One is, I didn't realize that he made other statements that are written because I have not been provided with them.
I'm not consistent in his
That's
testimony
number
today.
one. And number two is, I'm objecting on whether or not it's truthful or not, because it evades province of the jury, because they are the judges of the credibility.
That's true. They're the ones that make the decisions on how much weight and credibility to give to the evidence. She's on to redirect, overrule. She can ask the question.
Why do you feel like you can't be completely truthful in this trial today?
I'll be honest with you.
I have no further questions, John.
Anything? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take a short break. Relax, stretch your legs, 10 minutes. Report back outside. Everyone else remains seated while the jury exits first. Thank you. We're in recess, 10 minutes. Okay, thank you. Who's next?
Shyla Gidley.
Okay, your excuse. Thank you.
Defendant.
Sir?
You said it's things.
No. You excuse, go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah.
Big drove and stuff.
Come on out.